We've just received some major updates on the 203K renovation loan, and these changes are going to change the FHA industry. First, the maximum rehabilitation cost for a limited 203K program has been significantly increased from $35,000 to $75,000. That means you now have more flexibility in your home purchase decisions. You can either buy a larger home and add renovations to suit your needs, or opt for a smaller home with a more substantial renovation budget. The second significant change is the extension of the renovation period. For standard 203K loans, the period has been extended to 12 months, and for limited 203K loans, it's now 9 months. This additional time allows you to plan and complete your renovations without the pressure of a tight deadline. These updates are designed to make it easier for home buyers to create their dream homes rather than settling for something that isn't quite right. With a higher renovation budget and more time to complete the project, you can now focus on transforming a house into your ideal home.